Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI school. Our lesson today is variables and expressions. Our objective is to write algebraic expressions.
Welcome in the first lesson in grade 7, variables and expressions. And our mission today is to write algebraic expressions as Ryan said. And today we will revise some vocab that we learned in the grade 6, my dear students, which is quantity, variable, algebraic expression, numerical expressions. First of all, we have to revise what is, or to define the quantity. What is the quantity? And the quantity is anything can be measured or counted, like a population of Florida. It can be measured, yes, or the flight time from Philadelphia to San Francisco. It can be measured, so it is a quantity. But the quantity, it is constant quantity and variable quantity. Okay, constant quantity, that means it is not change. Like what, Ayman? Can you give me an example of constant quantity, Rayyan? Constant quantity,
like
the distance.
the distance between the two cities.
Yes, the distance between two cities, it is constant quantity. Can you give me a variable example for a variable
Yes,
quantity?
the number of animals.
Yes, the number of animals. Thank you. Population, yes,
Yes.
of living things, for example. Or the flight time between two cities.
Yes.
It is a variable quantity. Good. This is about the quantity. Now we move to a variable. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter that represent the values of a variable quantity. Okay, we know what is the variable, and teacher, all of time you tell us the variable is the letter in the expression. Yes, any letter we call it a variable because it is not constant. It can take any value. Yes. Okay, now the second or third term is algebraic expression and numerical expression. Actually, Rayyan will explain us what is the difference between the algebraic expression and numerical expression by take one example from here. Rayyan, is each expression algebraic or numerical? The first one, A, it is what, Rayyan? Can you tell me?
Numerical.
Numerical. Can you tell me why, Rayyan? It is
Because it doesn't have a number.
a
letter.
A letter or a variable, yes. And B, Rayyan?
It is algebraic.
Algebraic, yes. Why you call it algebraic, not numerical?
It have a letter.
A letter or a variable.
Yes.
Now we stop to say
Number.
letter. We have to say what?
Variable.
Variable, yes. So because B has 4m plus 6 here, it has a variable which is m. We call it algebraic, yes?
Yes.
And regarding to A, 7 divided 2, it is expression, but it is numerical expression because it has no variable.
Yes.
Okay. What about C, Ayman?
It is constant.
No, numerical.
Numerical or algebraic, Ayman?
Numerical.
It is numerical. Why? Because it has no
Variable.
Okay. This is about algebraic and numerical expression. Okay? Good. Now, the last thing that we will learn how to describe the word expression and write it as a mathematic phrase. Okay? So we have some word phrase. Yes, Yaman?
9 multiplied t.
Thank you. The product of 9 and t. Let me write it again, please. Like this. Okay. It is 9 and t. So it is 9t. We can write it 9t or 9
multiplied t.
Or we can write it what?
9
Dot
t.
t. Yes, Ayman?
Yes.
Okay. Now B.
The difference of a number x and 1 over 2.
What is the keyword, Ayman, here?
Difference.
Good. Difference is the keyword. Between what and what?
X and 1 over 2.
It is between x and 1 over 2. Now, Yaman,
Yes.
see.
And the sum of a number m and 7.1.
Can you tell me what is the keyword here?
Sum.
Sum. And that mean what?
And that means the answer of plus.
Yes. Between what and what, Yaman?
Between m and 7.1.
Can you tell me the algebraic phrase, please, now?
M plus 7.1.
Thank you, Yaman.
And
Yes, sorry. Okay, the last one, Ayman, please.
The quotient of 207 and a number n.
Now, what is the keyword here?
Quotient.
Good boy. Quotient mean what?
The answer of division.
Between what and what?
207 and a number n.
So 207
And n.
divided by n, yes?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question, Rayyan?
yes.
The answer here, I write 207 divided n. If I write n divided by 207, is correct or not?
No.
Why? Because the order is very important in division.
Okay.
Okay, and minus. Okay, good boy. Now, write word phrase of each algebra. Rayyan, number 17, please.
Q more than 5.
Okay, directly. Q more than 5. So, plus, we can read it, this one. We
More
have
than.
to write it as a word phrase. Instead of plus, we say
More than.
more than. So, Q more than 5. Or, Yaman, can you read it in another word phrase?
The sum of Q and 5.
The sum between Q and 5, or the sum of Q and 5. 18, Ayman.
The quotient of y and 5.
And how we can we write it in another yes.
Y divide 5.
Yes. Now 21.
It is 9 and plus 1. I will express it the product of 9 and more than 1.
Nice work. Now 22, Ayman.
The quotient of z and 8 less than 9.
Less than, or yes, less than or less 9.
Less than 9.
You have to distinguish between both of them. Let me explain very, very important thing. The difference between less and less than. Okay? 9 less n. And 9
Less than and
less than n. What is the difference between this?
Less, the first one it is like 9 minus n.
How we write them? See. The first one, as you said, is 9 minus n. Okay? The second one, it is n minus 9. So 9 less n, that means 9 minus n. And 9 less than n mean n minus 9. It is a big difference, yes?
yes.
Good. Let us come back here.
It makes it.
Yes, now can you tell
change
me?
the place.
The quotient of z and 8 less 9.
Less 9. Good. Can we say it in another expression?
Yes.
Yes, the difference.
The difference of the difference
Of
of
the quotient
the difference of the quotient of z and 8
and
9.
and 9. Yes, good. Good boy. I think it is clear everything what we learned today. what we learned today again, the quantity. We have constant quantity and variable quantity, and we give examples. Variable, what is the variable? The algebraic expression, the numerical expression, and what is the difference between the algebraic expression and the numerical expression. And last, we learned how to write the algebraic expression. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair again, and see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Goodbye.